IPM, that is for IIM Indore, and there are a lot of other entrants for hotel management, and even for Delhi University you have an entrance. Now all important is aptitude, alright, how good you are in aptitude. Now if you see the career after in law, alright, one is you can get into litigation, second is majority of them they get into corporate counsel. Why? Because corporate counsels where you get the highest paid package. The highest paid package is nearly about 18 to 20 lakh, that is the average paid package, and the highest is close to 1 CR. Alright, and definitely law firms, few who want to get into judiciary, they can get into judiciary. You can also prepare for civil service exam. I'll come to civil service exam as well. Alright, you can also be a part of NGO and you can start your own business. This is a career in law. Alright, now if you if you want to talk about BBA, that is a management program, now most of the corporate companies, again, they'll hire you as a consultant in the companies. Alright, now consultants, again, they are paid close to 20 to 30 lakh of pay package when you do your program from IPM Indore. Alright, not only from IPM Indore, you have SCT, OP Jindal, alright, these are the colleges where you can do your BBA programs. I'll just come to the civil service program. Now this is newly introduced program, okay. From this year we have started UPSC in South. Alright, now Career Launcher has spread across Pan India. We have more than 220 centers in India. Now during your vacations, you can also go to the nearest center and take the classes, provided there is a permission from the parent center. Okay. Now let me talk about, see, this UPSC is a foundation program what we are planning to start. Now as you guys know, definitely if someone wants to prepare for civil services, they'll go to Delhi. Agreed? Alright, now we have demolished this stereotype. We have demolished this stereotype by getting the technology. Alright, through VSAT, through studio, alright, we do these classes, live beaming of classes from Delhi. Okay? Now the classes which are happening in Delhi, the same classes are live beamed here. It is not recorded class, it is not a YouTube based class, or it is a retransmission class. It is a live interactive class. A faculty who is taking classes in Delhi, the same class is live beamed. If you have any questions, you can still ask a query to faculties. Alright, now definitely one who writes civil service exam is aspiring for IAS, IPS, IFS, IRS. So these are the major positions what they look for. Alright, and yes, as I've told you, there are total 24 services. Yes, for which you have to write the entrance exam. Alright, so this entrance happens in the month of happens in 3 stages. One is prelims, mains, and personality test. Now the reason why we are starting this program early is just to have an understanding what is the difficulty level in the entrance exam. Now if someone is aspiring for civil services, he or she definitely take 3 to 4 years for this preparation. Alright, so that is a preparation that is required to crack this entrance exam. Okay, you have to be a graduate to write this entrance exam. You have to be a graduate, which is very mandate. And age limit is 21 to 32 years. 21 is a minimum age you have to attempt. Right, now this is a pattern. Now if you see here, there are 3 stages as I have mentioned. Stage 1 is prelims, stage 2 is mains exam, stage 3 is a personality test. Now if you see a new pattern here, alright, stage 1 where you have paper 1 and paper 2, that is Jirs and CSAT. Today it is called Jirs and CSAT, alright, which is of 200 marks and 200 marks. Now paper 2 is just qualifying paper. Paper 2 is just qualifying paper where you have to get 33%, which is nothing but 66 marks. Alright, now GS, when you have to attempt close to, you have to get close to 105, 110, that is the score what we talk here. Alright, stage 2, you have total 9 papers. Alright, out of 9, 2 are again qualifying papers. 2 are again qualifying papers, and essay 250 marks, GS 250, GS2 250. I'll come to the subjects part, what is that the content is. Alright. See here, till here, it is 1750 marks and 275 marks. So we are talking close to 20-25 as a mains exam. Now these are the optional subject which you can pick here. Alright. See, we are talking optional subjects here. You have one optional subject, optional 1 and optional 2, which is of 250 and 250 marks. Now, any of your choice, you can pick optional subject here. Alright, see, majority of them, they pick public administration and Indian history as an optional subject. If you are interested in civil engineering or economics, you can still go with those optional subjects as well. But the reason behind, see, most of them, they pick public administration and Indian history is because they need not study a new subject. Already, you are already having 9 subjects. So which is a part of those 9 subjects. Indian history and public administration is a part of that. Alright, and you have one literature which can be done in the mother tongue. Alright, now this is the market size of what we are talking today. Alright, day by day, year on year, the numbers are getting increased. Alright, today if you see the number of aspirants, you can see number of students applied is 11.36 lakh and appeared is 5.5 lakh. Why is that so? Any reason? Sorry? Filtering. No, the reason is, see, they are not sure whether I am going to crack the entrance. I'll come to that part. Alright. Because for every category there are a number of attempts. There is a cap on the number of attempts. Alright, now this is for prelims examination, alright, which is of 200 marks. These are the subjects what you will be studying in prelims examination, that is in paper 1. Paper 2 is all about aptitude, which Mr. Anil Nair was talking all this time. Alright, it is all about aptitude again. Mains examination, as I was mentioning, GS1, GS2, GS3, GS4. Now these are the subjects what you will be studying. See, it is an extended version of what you are studying in social science, humanities. So those are the subjects what you will be studying in detail here. Alright. So I think in your 12th, it is just a trailer, but it is an actual picture here. Alright. Where did, how did Aladdin get into India, and all those things is what you will be studying here. Now personality test, alright, so again leadership qualities, judgment is what we are going to talk here. See, this is very important for you to understand, alright. Now most of them, they prepare for civil services, but they don't know the cutoff. See, one thing, whatever the exams you prepare, it is very important.